Welcome to TechYard guys, this is Saurav here and today I'm back with some racing games on this Redmi 3S Prime. Well, it's the Redmi 3S Prime, you all know that. 4 games we are gonna play today. They are Asphalt 8, No Limits, Real Racing 3 and Infamous Most Wanted. So I will be starting with the Asphalt 8 first, then I will be coming with the other games. So let's just open the Asphalt 8. So guys, first of all let me show you that I'm playing in the highest mode possible. So let's get started. I'm playing in the Nevada, the first lap, the first stage. So it's starting guys and let's begin. Well, let me can tell you it's powered by a Snapdragon octa-core 430 chipset which is having a Adreno 505 GPU, and I'm playing in the highest mode possible with highest graphics mode, and I'm drifting right now. You can see the sand effect or the what should I say, the smoke effect from the tires, and while you're drifting it's completely okay. This is a 720p display, not as crispy as a 1081, but still it does the job and it's great. I mean, you can see it's not uh, lagging or something else. There is nothing like kind of lagging or frame drops. In the case of K5 Note I reviewed earlier, the links will be in the description below. There were constant minor frame drops in the game which is making the gameplay in the highest mode literally impossible, but hey guys, in this phone you can play this game in the highest mode possible. There is no frame drops, not even a minor one. Even if there are minor ones, they are easily negligible, so that's a good thing. And you can see I'm drifting and there is no lags or frame drops or whatsoever. So let's just do some tricks on the air and perfect land. Another great one. Oops. And guys, if you have request of playing other games, do let me know via the comment section below. I will definitely try to play those games for you. And MIUI 8 review is gonna come soon with in-depth user interface walkthrough like I did with the K5 Note. So please stay with us, and you can see I did that intentionally. It was not accidental, it was intentional. I wanted to show that what happens to the display when the wreckage happens, and in that case too there were no issues with the gameplay. It was flawless like as usual with the phone. So I'm pretty quite happy. And another thing I really faced is that the phone doesn't heat up that much guys. Yes, I'm playing the Asphalt 8. I don't think the phone is heating up way more than 42. It's completely normal and I'm not facing any heating at all. Oh, I came fourth, but that's okay, that happens to all of us. I'm not a great gamer. Well guys, Real Racing 3, another very high-end game, high-end racing game I would say. So let's change the camera. Well guys, if I'm not wrong, I have a bad news for you. There are very very minor frame drops, but yes there are. Although the graphics output, the entire graphics output you could see there, it's completely awesome. The color reproduction, graphics detailed are well rendered, but I would still say guys, mm, yes there are frame drops which are basically negligible though, but in some cases they are visible and they sometimes may ruin the mood of playing the game. But if you just can avoid that, neglect that, the gameplay is still now smooth. I haven't faced any kind of lags, but yeah, few frame drops were there, so you have to keep that in mind. And I just lower down the volume guys because I just can't take a higher level of volumes. I have some issues, I'm sorry for that. The sensors like accelerometer sensor, motion sensors, gyroscope, all the sensors works perfectly. And you people all know Xiaomi is a great provider of sensors. Doesn't matter what price the phone is actually entitled to. And I'm still playing the game for around 1 minute or more than that, and guys, really, I'm seriously telling you, doesn't heat up that much, which I think is probably the best thing that you can get from this device. It has an octa-core chipset, but it doesn't heat up that much. I think Xiaomi has really done a great job. Though there are visible frame drops, but I still say it's completely okay. I mean, yes, it's okay, it's negligible, but I don't think you will be much bothered about it. It's completely okay. Well, another lap, another car. Let's see what happens. The basic, I would say the mainly the frame drops are occurring when there are a lot of cars at a single frame, and that's very much normal in the game codings. So yes, that's something we have to understand that. Well, there is another lap. Let's just start it. Well, I'm sorry, I actually too much into the game. I forgot to talking to you. Well, yes, there are few frame drops. Although in this lap, I'm not facing that amount of frame drops like it was in the previous one. But yes, there are frame drops, guys. I don't think you will be that much bothered with it because it's okay. It happens to every phones, and you have to just accept it. But while you are just playing alone, I mean the one or two cards in the frame, you won't face that kind of that much of frame drops. Overall, the color production, graphics, rendering is pretty solid, I would say. I literally don't have any kind of objection to that. And 720p display, though you know that the display is 720p, but I'm not very disappointed with the overall color production. Although it's not up to Xiaomi standard, but hey, it's okay. I think it's too much for today. Just let's just go back from in here. There are some few things that happens with Real Racing 3. Well, let's just go back from here and play the NFS No Limits. Well, this is the game I actually don't like to play because there is nothing to show off about graphics. It's completely darkened environment at night. But still, you people love this game. I don't know why. I don't play this game, so I will be definitely paying you for that. For you at least. Well, the audio output is quite loud. It's quite loud, and the nitro mode on. Oh, well, I hit a car, didn't lag, and it should not lag actually. I believe that this game is pretty basic one. I I don't think it's a pretty high-end game. The gameplay might be interesting, although I haven't played in my life. I mean, played. I just have played one or two laps for you to show how the gameplay is, but I haven't played that personally. I really haven't. So I'm sorry for that, but the game is in if I just talk about the graphics rendering, it's pretty basic, guys. The NFS Most Wanted is a pretty high-end badass game. And guys, do let me know via the comment section below how you like my videos, in which way I can easily improve my videos even more. That will be very much helpful because we are here just because of you. So, uh, the gameplay till now is lags free. Guys, skipping from there, one badass game is here, guys. NFS Most Wanted. Okay, tilt the display and tilt the phone. Okay, okay. Let's begin. Well, guys, if I talk about this one, I mean this game, well, first of all, it's a heavy, badass game. Probably the game with the highest graphics output. I'm talking about the racing games, guys. So, yes, I really love this game, and the gameplay is smooth, guys. It's completely smooth. I haven't faced a single lag till now. Although in the case of Real Racing 3, which is also a very high-end game, but I still believe that the graphics in this game are way much well polished than the Real Racing 3. It's entirely my opinion, guys. But I've been playing this game for quite a long time, around 1 minute, more or less. But I haven't seen a single frame drop. I don't know what happened to you, but I haven't faced that by myself personally. And I will be playing one or two laps even more to show you what happens actually when you are playing this game for around 5 to 6 minutes. That will give you an idea of if there is any kind of thermal throttling or not. So I have been playing quite a few games for around 20 minutes, guys. I have been playing around 20 minutes. I have cut a lot of clips, but seriously, guys, the phone doesn't heat up that much. I really am, what should I say, I'm glad that Xiaomi has at least arrived with a phone that doesn't heat up that much. It's completely okay to hold the phone in your hand, and really, guys, I'm really happy, very happy with the heat management from Xiaomi. They have provided us an octa-core processor which is clocked at 1.4 gigahertz, and still it doesn't heat up that much. I personally believe Snapdragon 430 could be a great replacement for Snapdragon 615, which is a good processor, definitely Snapdragon 615. But I personally believe the Snapdragon 430 should be replaced. The Snapdragon 615 should be replaced with the Snapdragon 430, because the way Xiaomi has taken a huge step, really, guys, it's commendable. Xiaomi has really done a great job with the heating management. Anyway, so I was talking too much about the heating management, because overheating always ruins your mood about playing a game. When you just can't hold the phone in your hands because it's heating too much, there is no happiness in playing the game. So I just can easily hold the phone in my hand, and I'm not facing any kind of heating. There is definitely heating, but it's well below 45, I would say, and it's completely comfortable. Anyways, I will keep my mouth shut for around 1 or 2 minutes more, and then we will check what happens. So the game ends here, and we have played all the 4 games. Temperature checking time, guys. So here is my thermal gun. 38.2, 37. What the fuck? Well, 40.6. Well, it's really commendable, guys. It's well below 42. I've been playing this game for around 7 to 8 minutes. 42. Great. Well, like this video, guys. Dislike if you want. Do subscribe to our channel. Buying links and other videos will be in the description below as well as in the cards. And do like this video, guys. Bye bye now.